I've brought a new video for you. This video is going to be on Pepsim. Pepsim is made by Shaigan Pharmaceuticals. The box has 30 tablets in it, and the price for the box is 278 rupees. The box contains 6 milligrams of metoclopramide, 20 milligrams of sodium dihydrocholate, 35,000 bromelain and 210 pancreatin, and 50 milligrams smithicone. This medication contains digestive enzymes, which are natural substances needed by the body to help break down food and digest food. It is used when the pancreas cannot make or does not release enough digestive enzymes into the gut to digest the food. Depending on the amount of enzymes in your product, it may be used for the treatment of indigestion, as a supplement, or as a replacement therapy. Example in chronic pancreatitis, cystic fibrosis, cancer of the pancreas, and after surgery on the pancreas or gut. This medication is taken by mouth with meals and snacks. 1 or 2 tablets to be taken 10 minutes before the main meal. The tablet may also be taken with the meal. There are a few side effects of this medication, which include diarrhea, abdominal pain, cramps, and nausea. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you.